Hello learners, in this video we will solve this nice equation and find all the values of x including the imaginary values or the complex values. Alright, so let's begin. So on the left hand side we have two terms with different denominators and we can make them the same. So let's do that. So the first term, the denominator is x plus 2, so we multiply and divide by x minus 2. So this is my new first term. I'll do the same with the second term. Only this time I'll multiply and divide by x plus 2 is equal to 1 upon x whole square. So if we simplify the denominator, we get x squared minus 4 whole squared plus x plus 2 divided by x squared minus 4 whole squared. And this is equal to 1 upon x squared. Now let's open the bracket, which will do this to the denominator and this to the denominator. Repeating the process for the second term gives me this. All right, now the denominator is the same on the left hand side, so I can easily add both the terms, which is x minus 2 squared plus x plus 2 squared is equal to 1 upon x squared. Now let's expand the numerator, which gives me x squared plus 4 minus 4x plus x squared plus 4 plus 4x. And the denominator is, if I also expand the denominator, it becomes x power 4 plus 16 minus 8x squared. And this is equal to 1 upon x squared on the right hand side. Now in the numerator, search one term is going to get cancelled. Minus 4x will cancel plus 4x. So the numerator now becomes, if I add similar terms, I get 2x squared plus 8. That's it. And the denominator, of course, is x power 4 minus 8x squared. So I've just rearranged it, is equal to 1 upon x squared. Now let's take this denominator to the right hand side where it becomes the numerator, and this denominator to the left hand side where it becomes the numerator. So I get 2x squared plus 8 into x squared is equal to x power 4 minus 8x squared plus 16, or 4x power 4 plus 8x square is equal to x power 4 minus 8x square plus 16. Now we'll move everything to the left hand side. So this is not 4, this is 2. So if we move everything to the left hand side, I get x power 4 plus 16x square minus 16 equals 0. Now let x square be 1. I'll do the substitution. I'll get y square plus 16y minus 16 is equal to 0. Now this is a nice quadratic equation where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 16, and c is equal to minus 16. So when I solve this using the quadratic formula, I get y is equal to minus b, which is minus 16 plus minus square root of b square. 16 into 16 is 256 minus 4ac, which becomes plus 16 into 4 is 64, divided by 2a, which is 2. Moving on, I get minus 16 plus minus, and I get under root of 300 divided by 2. So if I factorize 300, I'm sorry, this will give me 256 plus 64 is 10, this is 2, and this is 320. Not 300, but I'll get 320. So if I factorize 320, I can divide this by 4, I'll get 80. Again, divide this by 4, I'll get 20 divided by 4 leaves me with 5. So I have 4 into 4 into 4, and I can take it outside the under root sign, get 8. And then I'm left with 5 inside the root sign divided by 2. Now let's get rid of the denominator, which leaves me with 4 root 5. So y is equal to minus 8 plus 4 root 5, which is greater than 0, and y is equal to minus 8 minus 4 root 5, which is less than 0. All right. So earlier I assumed x to be equal to x squared to be equal to y, which means let this be case 1 and this be case 2. So from case 1 I get x squared is equal to 4 root 5 minus 8, which means x is equal to plus minus under root of 4 root 5 minus 8, which can be simplified to plus minus 2 square root of root 5 minus 2. So this is the first set of roots. Case 2 is x square is equal to minus 8 minus 4 root 5, which is equal to minus, or let me do it step by step. So square root of this plus minus, which means x is equal to plus minus 2 iota, and I'll be left with 2 plus root 5. This is the second pair of solution. So that's it. That solves the problem. These are the two pairs of roots for this equation. I hope you like this video. And if you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.